Hey guys, good afternoon or good morning. I don't know what time it is that I am uploading this video, but today is Thursday, December the 10th, and I actually am recording this after I did the ultrasound, but I'm about to show you guys a little bit of the ultrasound that I did today, just so you guys can like take a look, and then we'll talk about the ultrasound after you guys see the video. Are those cysts?
Those are your ovary.
Uh-oh. What are all those things that you just measured?
It's just a follicle,
Oh.
baby follicle.
measuring at, the lining?
I think it's 4.5.
Okay. Okay, so don't know if you guys understood anything that you saw or heard anything, but basically the lining of my uterus is measuring at 4.5 is what the nurse said, which I find really interesting because Saturday my lining was measuring at 6 millimeters. And Thursday of last week, when she took it literally a week ago, she measured it at 4 millimeters. And what's even more interesting is that last week, just like looking at the screen, obviously I don't know anything about what they're doing. I can't take the measurements for myself, but looking at the screen, it looked small last week on Thursday, and I would have guessed like 2 millimeters, right? Just from looking at it. And on Saturday, when I went in to Miami and they did the measurements themselves, they measured it at a 6. And to me, looking at the screen, again, it looked the exact same as it did on Thursday, which I thought was interesting. So I'm like, okay. Looking at the screen, the lining looks the same from last week on Thursday and Saturday in Miami, right? But supposedly it was a 4 on Thursday and a 6 in Miami, which I did increase the estrogen patches, if you guys remember, from Thursday, Friday, and Saturday by the time they took it. And they started me on vaginal suppositories of estradiol. I learned how to say that word correctly finally. So it's interesting that looking at it, it was bigger or thicker in Miami on Saturday versus the thickness on Thursday last week, and then today it's supposedly 4.5. So to be honest with you, it is quite frustrating. When I walked out of the office, I was really discouraged and trying not to be heartbroken, trying to remain positive, but I'm also wondering if they're taking the measurements incorrectly. Like, is that a thing? So anyways, I communicated those thoughts with my coordinator, and I'm just going to wait for her to get back to me. I'm waiting for the nurses to review everything. The monitoring clinic here in Houston is supposed to be sending the clinic in Miami my results, pictures of the ultrasound, all the data they took, the measurements, all the things. And especially since I took a video of the ultrasound myself, I went ahead and forwarded the video to my coordinator. So if the nurses want to see the video, they can. I don't know what they can do with the video since they're not the ones using the measuring thing on the ultrasound. So anyways, that's just a quick little update. Hopefully I didn't go on too long about that. I appreciate any and all thoughts and prayers and positive vibes that you guys can send my way, because this is something that I seriously really, really want to do very badly. And it's something that I've been wanting to do for at least 3-4 years now. And I'm trying not to get discouraged. But yeah, so I don't know what's next. I don't know if this is the actual result and they're gonna go ahead and cancel my calendar and tell me that I can't be a surrogate, or if they'll fly me back out to Miami and do measurements themselves, or what's gonna happen from here. I have no idea. They did actually, even, it's crazy, since Saturday, they started me on Viagra suppositories that I've been taking 3 times a day, on top of the extra estradiol patches and the estradiol suppositories. So I'm just kind of like confused. But yeah, so I don't know what's gonna happen next. I will keep you guys posted. I appreciate you guys following me along on this journey anyways. Whether or not we make it to the finish line that I wanted to make it to, I don't know, maybe this journey is coming to an end sooner than anticipated. So we will see. Bye guys, have a good one.